I guess in Nigeria, behind South Africa in terms of research and skill in that sense. But we do have chemical engineers and lots of scientists. So some parts of the API does interact with pharmaceutical side, and other parts is direct with chemical engineers. But we have made sure that all key positions is filled by expatriate staff who our technology partner is selecting the staff for us. But then we're also saying we're going to, for each expatriate staff, we're going to have at least minimum of 2 people shadowing them. And so we think that can last 2 or 3 years before we build that internal capacity.
Thank you so much. I return now to Simon with another dimension that in the world of vaccine. But we know vaccine is a pharmaceutical product, but it has its specificity. So thank you for helping us to understand better this dimension. Simon, the floor is yours.
Thank you, Chairman, and I would like to thank the WHO for organizing this meeting and the government of the Netherlands. Today I want to talk about a common project, the Clean Path, undertook with the Clinton Health Foundation on behalf of Africa Union and Africa CDC on mapping African vaccine manufacturing. And I would like to give a perspective actually on drug substance and the for the colleagues, yes. So we in PATH are committed to health equity. For the colleagues who still don't know us, we are our headquarters in Seattle. However, you can see in this map the brief of our work, and at any given time we have more than 350 open projects worldwide. You can see our presence in Africa. Going back to the mapping project that we undertook for African Union and Africa CDC, we have been working in close collaboration with KV, the Partnership for African Vaccine Manufacturing. The first question was really, what is out there? So, looking from public announcement, we decided really to engage suppliers and have really an up-to-date current map of what is out there in the continent. And we've done that by engaging manufacturing in the sense of data collection and the outcome that came up. That's what we'd like to share with you. So we outreach about 30 manufacturers, so there is a large number of manufacturers at the moment engaging in vaccine production that are publicly announced. And we made out of these 30 manufacturers, we engaged with 19. 9 of them have actual production facilities, and the other 10 we engaged with virtually in a number of interviews and meetings, while 9 companies were really visited and assessed. You can see here the map of the various facilities. In this short presentation, what I would like to show is that the capacity of drug substance or vaccine in the continent is minimal. Absolutely. Although we have overcapacity of drug product, and we had other panels where we discussed that. Drug product manufacturing, the finish line is very large. Drug substance, therefore, the vaccine API is absolutely minimal. What you can see here are technical data, nets, and bioreactor doses to show that the current capacity and the planned capacity are still way below what are the needs of the continent. And what we can see is that the growth of this capacity still needs a comprehensive strategy to bring that forward. So it's somehow opportunistic, either as plant expansion or as one two of the parts. Another key part that would be required and we will discuss it for afterwards is the technology transfers and how much of these technology transfers are lacking on the country. So this concludes my small presentation, and I thank you for this time. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Simon. Question to you: when you talk about vaccine components, are you talking about the traditional vaccine or RNA technology? Because we have seen with the pandemic situation that even for the countries in the north and pharmaceuticals company in the north, I mean, the one country was not able to produce everything, for example, for RNA technology. So have you explored that? And we know that several initiatives, the platform in South Africa, but from just producing RNA is not the issue, but to manage the technology, liposome maybe something else. And of course, the finished product is also a different type of know-how. So what is your thinking about that kind of capacity in Africa?
Yeah, thank you. The studies that we've done cover all possible vaccines on the market. Of course, mRNA technology is coming from Africa, in South Africa, African WHO program. This is in development, so it's just at the moment made the stride to start this technology, to transfer it at small scale and then to scale up. Looking at industrial scale manufacturing, mRNA is still not there. We still need to build the capacity. And the formidable challenge that you have with this new technology coming up is actually the supply chain and the complexity of the formulation. We're talking about lipid nanoparticles and the stability of these formulations that requires ultra-low chain, which would be complicated the supply chain of mRNA technology in fact. Fortunately, there are new developments coming that are looking at thermostability, and so there is very much a promising future. But indeed, as always, new technology would need to have the time to grow up and scale.
Thank you, Simon. And again, further questions from the regulatory part. Seth and Sibyl, but Seth first. How is the readiness from regulatory perspective for new technologies such as RNA technology, but we also, as United, others are looking about developing mass production, in particular Africa, where, of course, the access is quite limited so far, but can be quite important in the future. I don't know if Seth or Sibyl want to address one or two of them. Seth, maybe first.
So thank you very much. So just as I mentioned, from a regulatory perspective, we need to build capacity as new technologies come online. So if you take the example of Ghana, for example, there is a lot of political commitment that we should develop our vaccine and other biological products